It's a video of my 95 Tahoe for sale. Let's do a walk around. This is the front grille. It has the inserts, bug deflector, those are aftermarket headlights. It has a brand new Sensus track shocks. I think you can really see it in there. Upper and lower ball joints, both sides are brand new. A shot of the body. Comes with the roof rack, has the auto vent shade on the front windows. Rear windows are the deep tint on them. There's running boards. It's the big running boards. Rims are in pretty good shape. They're alloy. Has the barn doors. The trailer hitch on the back. It's a Class 3 trailer hitch. So I get the whole thing. Yeah, not really any dents on the body at all. This is the LT K1500, so the suspension and frame is a little bit more heavy duty. Power windows, power door locks. It does come with an alarm system remote start, but I've actually never tried it since I park it inside my garage. The battery on the transponder is dead, but it does have security as well as keyless entry. Let me start it up. See if I can hear it. Door starts it up. Pop the hood and take a look under the engine. It's got a brand new starter as well. One of the brake lines went and that's been replaced. All the other brake lines have been pressure tested. Full engine in there. It's got the TBI throttle body injection with a K&N air filter. And it also has a Flowmaster exhaust. It's actually made by Thrush, I believe. So, but it's the same as Flowmaster, so the exhaust is going to be somewhat loud, but it's worth the extra gas mileage. You can really hear it. Hop inside, give it some gas. Let's have a CD player and a tape deck. I don't know how well you can hear it, but so that's the Thrush muffler. Right now, total mileage is 167,740. It's got the center console. It's got the lights, a couple of drop downs for sunglasses. The rear view mirror's got a compass on it. It's got also has the auto dim, so if somebody comes up with high beams, the rear mirror will auto dim. AC doesn't work right now. I need a compressor. All the other parts of the AC system are brand new. The compressor that I got was remanufactured and it failed. So if you get a new compressor, you'll have AC. Just charge it up. Leather seats. It's got a center console storage here. 4-wheel drive. As the shift is 4 high and 4 low. I popped it in 4-wheel drive this morning and still runs great. Let's take a look at the back. Lock the doors. This is the back door. There's the back seats. These guys fold forward. And this guy just folds down. You take the headrest and you pop it in there to get it to go all the way flat. And you've got plenty of cargo room in the back. power windows all around. Little lights, back seat. You got a that's the door light and the directional reading light, as well as the cargo area. So this is it with the doors open. So this is the barn doors. It makes it a lot easier to unload and load up the cargo area. Does have a full-size spare tire. It's never been used. So you can see the treads on that. It's totally never been touched. And you get a couple of storage areas over here. You know, plenty of room for other stuff. So that's about it. Thanks for looking.